Hello guys, it's SB Fireworks here. Another video of me fireworks stash for Bonfire Night 2016. This is in part 1, and there might be part 2, part 3, part 4, don't have a clue yet. This is just a little stash of it all. Just got some fireworks yesterday, obviously didn't get a chance to do a video, obviously being at work, so just getting time to do a video now and get on with it. Got 2 fuses here from last year from when I made one of my homemade fireworks. So we'll be getting some more fuses for when I do obviously another homemade firework this year. Obviously, hopefully I do it. And back on. Got some rockets, some big ones. 2 in a pack, flash IV rockets are called. Just turn it around. Obviously the piece of paper there is obviously for my address on it, so obviously I'm not going to show that part. Retail price $74.99. Obviously it's by Mega Blast Fireworks. I'd say they're about 5 foot height rockets. 2 pieces. Check stars or bangs. 320 grams of powder and 160 grams in each. Okay, our rockets. Right, onto the bigger stuff into this box. Right. There's all the fireworks. Let's get on with it. Right, first thing, firework cord. Right, next one, little rocket here by Bright Star. This was from the other video I did of the Terror Attack and Orbiter 9 and the Proton Bomb. Now, I said I was going to keep them till Bonfire Night, but obviously I never, I just let them all off. And I've just got 1 rocket from the Orbiter 9 rockets. This one effect is purple, so obviously I'm just going to keep this till Bonfire Night. So there's one out the way. Next one, we'll start with these. These are the Atom Bombs, Twist Bursts, Shot Tubes. They're by Bright Star Fireworks. I've never had them, so obviously I'm going to be doing a video of these, obviously on the night, and I'll be uploading them. Sometimes I say it and I don't do it, so... effects is seriously loud, double starburst reports. There is 134 grams of powder. 67 in each. It says made in 2014. Category 3, 25 meters. Next one. We'll do these two next. These are the Mars by Big Bang. 16 shot, 20mm tubes by Jog. And I've had a few Jogs before. Won't recommend the product, so if you ever see any around, I'd say get them. I had these last year and the year before, and I have got a video on the channel of these, so that's what they look like. Go and check the video out. There's some more ones of them as well. You've got the Uran, Pluto, Mars, Supernova, Venus, Cassiopeia. I've had the Venus and the Cassiopeia before, and I prefer the Mars. So that's them ones. Next one, we've got these two by Benwell Fireworks. This is the Pop and Candy and Midnight Mayhem. Never had them before, so there's another thing again. Obviously to see, get a video and upload it. 25 shots in each, and it doesn't tell you the effects, but anyway, 25 shot, yeah, 159 grams of powder, so kind of a bit of powder. Looks like the 20mm tubes. Midnight Mayhem is 170 grams of powder, and the effects on this doesn't say. Okay then. Anyway, next one, we've got Proton Bomb Extreme by Elite Collection. Had this last year and didn't have it the year before. I have got a video of the original, the Proton Bomb. So you have the Proton Bomb and then you have the Extreme version. So I will get a video of this as well, so you just can have a judge of which one you like better. I recommend the Extreme, miles better, 16 shot. It is 251 grams of powder, and obviously there's the effects. There you go. 25 meters, category 3, shot tube battery. Hold up right. Next one, sparklers, 18-inch sparklers, 8 pieces. Always have them for the family and for the kids and for everyone really, even as adults like them. So, yep, there's them. We'll be getting another pack of them on my next video. Liz Bombard, never had it. This is by Fireworks World. what effects is this? The effects is multicoloured burst to crackle to whistles to air bomb. 49 shot, nice little cake. 25 meters away. Doesn't have the how much powder's in it. Barcode. There's where the fuse is. Anyway, next firework. Do these ones next. Now I've had these ones before. These are the classic Roman candles, and the this one here is the Dum Bum candle. Titanium salutes. This one does crackles, and them two do bangs. Had them on my New Year stash. Love them. Well recommended. Must buy. Next ones is these Q by Q fireworks. These are Shell Bazooka Attack Roman candles. Never had them before, so I'm gonna get a video of these. See what they're like. What's the description on these? Chicks, hairs and bangs. So all these three here produce whistles. The last one does stars and bangs. Anything else that you need to know? No. So 25 meters away. That's it really. Stand like that. Let's talk. Next one we use is this one by Bretstar Fireworks. This is Celebration Cracker. Nope. There we go. 25 meters away. Emits colours and flames. Never had it before. It's these firecrackers you get from America. Obviously, this is in the UK. This is all we can get. The substitute of what we have. Sorry about that. My nose is just runny. Got a cold. And in America, they have firecrackers, so you get a big long roll of like 300, 400, and they go off there. It looks cool, but this is what we can get. So if you want to have something similar to that, you just want to grab a few packs of these and you're sorted really. Never had them, so I'll probably get a video of this, hopefully. If I don't, then sorry. Anyway, on to the next one. These small shot tubes. These are the drone attacks by TNT. You get 8 in a pack. Noise level is 4. Never had these. Last year I was going to buy them, but I didn't get a chance, so this year I've bought them. And performance is, ready for zoom, colour comet tails up to Bricado, strobes, and I don't know what that says, crackles and crystallinium, if I said that right. Anyway, 120 grams of powder in all of them. Does it tell you what's in singly? No, it doesn't, but anyway, so it's 120 in every single one. Jig stars, 25 meters away, Roman candle. Next one is the Fire Kingdom retail price, again $79.99 by Megablast Fireworks, exactly the same as the Flash IV rockets. 150 shots. Description: 707 grams of powder in this one. So you eject stars with bangs, 25 meters away. Nice little firework. Don't know how big the tubes are. They're only small, nil length really. So, well recommended firework. I've never had it, so obviously I'll be doing a video of this one as well. Recommend it because of the videos I've seen has multiple effects on it. So I would probably like quite a few of these at once. Next one I'll do these ones. This is, obviously, just let me grab it. Golden Rain and Golden Palm. 2 10-shot barrages. Kind of big fireworks for 10 shots, so obviously they must be quite big. This is by Galactic Fireworks, their home brand. Own brand, not home. And let's see what it says. Red tip bursts, gold coconut and green tip bursts. Eject stars and bangs, 25 meters away. This one is Ricardo burst to red to green burst, eject stars and bangs. So there's them ones. Final but not least is Candy Flies, retail price $54.99. This is by Taipan. Description, what's it on this side? This wheel, obviously you can tell. 25 shots. Obviously you can't see it, 1 second. There you go. 25 shot barrage, or battery I mean. Category 2, neck is 500 grams. What else is there? Is it really outdoor use? Nothing much really. Good little firework. And I want to give a shout out to Galactic Fireworks. Go and check their Facebook page, the YouTube, and go and check the website. They have great fireworks. with silly prices. Will be a lot of companies around here. That's it really. Obviously it's a 25 shot, as you can see down at the bottom, so just keep an eye out for Bonfire Night for the videos of these fireworks and for my next stash. So thanks for watching. Peace.